Do you also collect your cat's fallen whiskers? I made my own cat whisker holder, and today I will show you how to make one too. A clean workspace is very important, and of course clean hands. For this project I use white polymer clay. First condition your clay, warm it up and knead it well until it's soft. To measure the pieces I use a scale or a measurement mold. Let's start with the body. I used a 40 mm mold. If you use a scale, it's about 17.6 grams. Roll the clay into a ball. If there is dust or hair on it, clean it with rubbing alcohol. Place it on your table and gently press it down so the bottom is flat and stable. Next, the ears. I used a 12 mm mold. One ear is too light for the scale, but both ears together weight about 0.6 grams. Place them on the surface and gently shape them into little cones. Then attach them to the body. I use a needle tool, but a toothpick works too. Be very gentle. After that, I smooth everything with a bit of rubbing alcohol. Now let's carefully make the whisker hole. Very gentle. Stab the kitty. This is my first cat. She's watching us. For the tail, I used a 17 mm mold. About 1.1 gram. Roll it into a tiny sausage shape. The paws are just 4 small balls. Flatten them a little because the cat will stand on them. If you like, you can add cute toe beans. Next we paint the fur. I use soft pastels before baking. You can also use acrylic paint after baking. First, I mark where the eyes will go. This helps to keep everything symmetrical. It's a little bit tricky to not paint the parts which should stay white. You have to tilt the cat a little bit. Then I paint the tail. You can also attach the tail before painting, do whatever feels easier for you, but I think it depends on the fur pattern you want to paint. And cleaning again. For the eyes, I make 2 small holes with a dotting tool. Now the cat gets her paws. For the eyes, I use small round glass beads. You can also use tiny balls of black clay. It's baking time. Bake your clay according to the package instructions. These are my button quails, Zwadi and her husband Odin. Birds flying with the snowflakes. Look at my orchids, they're blooming so beautifully. This is a little light chain I made before. If you're interested, the tutorial is linked below. Now the cat is fully baked and cooled down. Time for details. I use acrylic paint for the beans and the tiny nose. This next step is optional. I glaze the figurine with UV resin. I store the resin in empty nail polish bottles. For me it's easier to use it like this. Please wear protection when working with UV resin. Cure it under a UV lamp or in the sun. And done! My first cat has a friend now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day or a good night. Bye bye!